Okay na? Ito pa. Yung nakakatawa. Ito muna. O gusto mo i-speaker natin? Ito na. Nakakatawa yan. Let's watch that again and see what it's all about. Why did Iris react to it like that?
Kasi naman sabi mo, funny daw. Siglang may ganun lang na.
Kaya lang parang malabo yung...
Nakakatakot siya. Hindi ko natakot.
That was, I'm running out of words, I'm sorry, but that was just awesome, man. I can't believe this, man. This is so unbelievable. Iris, oh my goodness.
You told me it was funny.
It was a catch, obviously. Okay, Iris, you wanna say anything on video before we stop this, you know? I know I got you on cam, your reaction. But anyway, it's okay, Iris. I mean, once in a while we'll need...
Okay na.
You're okay, so I don't need to explain anything?
Don't need to explain, no.
Okay, alright, okay, so that's it then. Thank you, Iris. Today's January 1, 2009.
Start of the new year and you're scaring me.
All I can say is you're the first best actress of the year. Congratulations.
Okay na.
Okay. Bye. You want to say bye? No.
Bye.
Wow. Okay, that's good. All right. Bye, guys.